Hello everyone. Today's video is brought to us by Acura Amanda. She did a nice job in obtaining the body cams of police officers handling the arrest. A code enforcement officer is caught stealing red-handed while on duty. Watch to the end as he is read his rights and let go from his well-paying job. I'm a little surprised they didn't do the blue line thing and cut him loose.
On duty, committing a crime while on duty? In a trusted position?
How you doing? What's going on?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Hey, how's it going? So what we got?
It's gonna be this. He selected off the shelf, and walked out with it, passing 1 point to sell. And now checking for the other items to see if he really came in the store with it, if he made a return with it. So,
like I was telling him, I was gonna go out in my car to get a card to come back and pay for it, but it doesn't look that way right now.
and it was 129.
The reason it doesn't look that way.
Yeah, it's because technically, you know, more or less, if you have a property that you're gonna purchase, you leave it out inside the store. You don't leave it outside the store.
And another thing,
you don't take it with you outside the store.
You tried to return this as well.
Yeah, because no, I returned what I was returning.
No, I confirmed with the returns associate that works here that you also wanted to return this, but you couldn't find the receipt. You couldn't find the receipt because you didn't buy it. And then now you left the building saying, "Oh, I'm gonna buy it. I need my wallet."
No, not my wallet, a card.
Yeah, your card. So how are you planning on buying it if you were already trying to return it?
Yeah.
So I mean, you stole it.
Yeah, no, I really
I mean, you
wasn't
could
gonna
just
steal
admit to it if you want. I mean, if you don't want to, it doesn't matter to me.
Yeah.
But
like I told
we're
you, I
past
mean,
that
I'm
anyway.
still
Do me a favor,
gonna pay
stand
for
up.
it. I'm gonna pay for it.
Stand up, put your hands behind your back.
I'm getting arrested?
Right now, you're being detained. All right, brother. That's just for right now, right? You have any weapons or anything on you?
No, sir. Or for the city, I'm not.
What city do you work for?
Same one you work for.
Okay. All right, you can come with me.
Okay.
Hold on.
Took a shortcut?
Oh man, this just sucks.
1 Delta 3, I'm gonna have one detained.
So they taking me in?
You're being detained right now. All right.
I'm gonna be arrested?
Yeah, you are.
Oh my God.
Lean up against car. I'm just gonna pat you down. All right. So you have no weapons, no nothing.
No, I don't. My wallet.
Is your ID in here?
I got the
Oh, okay.
ID on my shoulder. With all these pockets. With the cargo pockets. Congratulations.
Oh, it's so hot. Uncomfortable.
Yeah, it's not gonna be comfortable. Hey, listen.
Oh, this shirt, this is really tight. Oh my God.
All right, step out real quick. What's really tight?
The cup.
Which one?
This one right here. Jeez.
This one?
Yeah. Oh my God, that's so tight.
Hold on.
Oh, that's so tight.
Turn your hands. No, there you go. Turn your hands that way. There you go. Got your hands like you're praying?
Yeah. You just tightened this one.
Yeah, I know. I'm about to loosen it right now. All right, brother.
So all you
All right, the way it works is this, right? We're gonna run you in the system. If you have no warrant out for your arrest,
I don't.
All right, I'm just letting you know if you have no warrant out for your arrest, we're just basically gonna cut you out of NTA, which is notice to appear. That means you've still been arrested. You've been arrested?
No.
No, I'm saying it's just saying that you have been arrested, and there's gonna be a date time. All right, we're gonna go ahead and talk to other people and go from there. Okay, man?
Talk to other people like who?
You guys have him on video?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right.
He's working on the video right now.
Cool, cool.
Oh, my camera's still rolling.
Yeah, I just put mine on because I put this in his car. No.
All right. I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. You have the right to the presence of a lawyer or of your choice before you make any statement and during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement and during any questioning. Any statement can and may be used against you in a court of law. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Do you understand those rights?
Yes.
Do you want to talk to me? I need an answer. I need an answer. Do you need, yes or no?
Yes.
You want to talk to me?
No.
You don't want to talk to me?
No, there's nothing else.
You don't want to talk. You don't want to talk about what happened today.
I thought we already talked about it.
I just explained to you that I was going to have him do it again.
Do you want to talk?
Yeah, I can tell you my side of the story.
Okay, what happened?
So
Tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
If
Yes.
he asks you the question, do you understand your Miranda rights?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you agree to talk and tell your side of the story?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me what happened.
All right, I went in this morning to purchase a blade for that tool over there and
Okay.
also return an
What
item.
tool was
Which
that?
tool?
What's it called?
What is it? What kind of tool?
Yeah, something like that, yeah. Purchased a blade for that and return a staple gun.
Okay.
I was there looking for the blade. I saw a nail gun as well that I know I'm probably going to need eventually. So I brought it up to the counter as well and returned the other items. And for some reason I decided, let me see if I can return this and see if they'll,
And did you have a receipt for that item?
I did not.
You did not have a receipt for that item.
I walked out the door.
You walked out the door with
The item was still in the car when I walked out the door.
which item?
The nail gun.
The nail gun that you were going to purchase. Okay.
Did you try to purchase that nail gun?
I was actually gonna try to purchase it when I came back to the store with my card.
But at the time that you left, you knew that it was paid for and you walked through the doors with it?
Right.
What doors did you walk through when you arrived?
Same door.
Which doors were those?
The front door.
The main entrance?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you try to make a return
The
before?
item that I returned.
So you went into the store first,
Yes.
then whatever, you got the nail gun that you saw that you said you might need, and then you went back to make the returns for
The
the
staple
staple
gun.
gun that you had. And while you were trying to return staple gun, you thought, well, let me see if they'll give me, basically, like, they'll give me cash for this even though I didn't pay for it.
Right.
Okay, that makes sense. And then once they said no, you took it, did you go back into the store at all?
I went to the front to go to the car to get a card to, my Home Depot card to come pay.
Okay, but at that point, you had walked out the store with.
I was literally at the door. Just maybe a step or two outside the door.
But before you walked out of that business, you knew that that item was not paid for.
Yeah, like I said, I was gonna go get my Home Depot card.
Okay. All right. Do you have anything else you want to add?
No, that's pretty much all that
This
happened.
is the situation. All right.
I was telling him 47 years old, it's my first time being arrested or anything like this. That's just the fact that,
Yeah, you certainly did that. I'm not going to disagree with you. But I I'm just here basically for the administrative part of it. They're handling, what happened out there with the act. But obviously, because you're wearing the West Palm Beach uniform and the code enforcement uniform, there's going to be some repercussions on that end as well. All right. So I'm just going to hear you're going on administrative leave without pay. There's going to be a form. Go ahead. So effective immediately, being placed on administrative leave without pay. The lease pay status will remain in effect until the conclusion of the pending administrative investigation, or you are informed otherwise through your department director, so that would be me or somebody else. Okay. And this is obviously it's coming down through Sylvia Gregory and over at Risk Management as well. Okay. While on administrative leave, and this is the important stuff, without pay, you are directed not to report to work or be present on city property, excluding public forum areas without prior approval from your department director. Okay, division manager, supervisor, or human resources. So human resources most likely is going to be the one getting in touch with you, or our internal affairs investigation here unit at the police department. Okay. You're to remain available and report to work when required or directed for interview or other actions pertaining to the pending administrative investigation and any related matters. You're to be available during normal business hours of the city, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. In order to avoid interfering or giving the appearance of interfering with the investigation, you're directed not to have any contact with employees or witnesses regarding the subject matter of the investigation. As a cautionary note, please note it would be in your best interest not to have any contact with any city employees while on administrative leave, because that could ultimately affect an investigation. You don't want to do that.
So if they call me, then don't answer?
No. If they call you, answer. Okay. If they call you, if it's a supervisor, I would say if one of your fellow employees, just tell them you can't talk, and you've been directed not to do that. Okay. Basically, you're not to talk about this case right now while it's under investigation.
No, I'm fine with that.
And it would be in your best interest not to do that. Okay.
I just hope that they don't somehow. I'm sure they're going to find out and they'll call me anyhow.
Well, things get around, but it's not going to be from one of us. All right. This is not intended to restrict your access to representatives should you require any assistance with this matter. Failure to comply with the directives of the administrative leave or any directive from your supervisor while you're on unpaid administrative leave may result in a change to your leave status and or disciplinary action up to and including termination of employment. Okay? And then what we'll do, this is just going to be your signature. I need you to sign it, date, and time, please.
Do I get a copy of that?
Yes, we're going to make a copy of it for you, okay?
Second, sir.
22.
Just to add to that, you've been trespass one from Home Depot, so do not return. Those guys are sharp. They will call us right away.
Thanks for watching. I'll put a link to the full video in the subscription. Please go over to Acura Amanda's channel and subscribe. Please tell her I sent you, and please subscribe and hit the bell to my channel as well.